This is the PEX piling I'm using, PEX 5306. I used the red one for hot, and then I used the neutral one for cold. That's only because they ran out of the blue. So this is during COVID. Of course, they were running out of everything.
It's hard to see here, but what I've done is I've marked where the holes are going to be drilled. That way I know exactly what I'm doing and where I'm going to drill. I don't want to drill too far off from each stud because I don't want the PEX piping to bend too much. So I used a leveler to draw a line across for the cold line and one line across for the hot line, for the hot water line. The space in between the two pipes I left 6 inches apart. They say you need that for copper, but not necessarily needing it for the PEX piping because PEX doesn't transfer the heat as much as copper would do. But just in case, I've left 6 inches apart. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bore through these studs so we can get ready to fish the PEX piping through. The water line is gonna run down this way. It's gonna actually come behind the studs because there is room. I'm gonna fasten it to the studs afterwards. But it's gonna come, shoot across this way, and I have to drill holes in the studs from here to run the lines across so that I have enough piping so I can get my shower set up and then the vanity set up, which is right there. So on the wall that I'm facing here is going to be the shower and the vanity. Because I'm using a 1/2 inch pipe, I'm using a spade bit that's 3/4 of an inch so that I can have more than enough room to fish the piping through afterwards.